Hello everyone, welcome to a video where you will be learning how to do the registration in AI crypto trading project. The link is there in the description and you can use the link and get yourself registered. For that you will be requiring an email, so register here and you can give your email. And you can mention your number here and you can give a password. And agree for the terms and conditions and create an account. Okay, you need a number here. Okay, you give the number here and that's it. Just do the confirmation. So once you confirm, you will see the your user ID. This is very important to log in. You'll be needing a user ID, and that's the referral code also, so you copy that. Okay, now go and sign in. You paste your user ID and you put your password there. Okay, and sign in. Now you're welcome. Okay, that's a tool you needed, not required. Skip. So that's your back office. Okay, and back office here, the thing is you can see the two trades which will be happening here, but that will be for another video here. So that's how you need to register with AI crypto trading. Link is there in description. You can use the link in the description and get yourself registered. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.